In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google One not backing up. We will walk through a few settings so your backups can run normally again, even if you have never changed anything before. First, open your phone's native settings app. Look for the settings icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, usually shaped like a gear. When settings opens, you should see sections like network, display, and maybe security. This confirms you are in the main system settings, not inside any specific Google app. Now, tap Apps, or Apps and Notifications, then tap See All Apps. On some phones, the word Apps appears slightly different, but it is always the place that lists every installed app. After you tap See All Apps, you should get a long alphabetical list including system apps and downloaded apps. If you see a search bar at the top, that is normal and helps you quickly jump to the app you need. Next, select Google One, then tap Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. You can usually scroll to the letter G or use the search bar to find Google One. Once inside Google One, Storage and Cache shows how much space it is using. Tap Clear Cache and you will see the cache size go to 0. This only removes temporary files. It does not delete your backups or your account. After that, go back once to the app list, locate Google Drive, and clear its cache as well. You can press the back arrow until you see the full list again. Then scroll to Google Drive. Open it, go into Storage and Cache the same way, and tap Clear Cache. When the cache number resets, you know the temporary files are gone. Clearing both caches helps because Google One uses Drive in the background for storage. With those caches cleared, reboot your mobile phone. Hold your power button, choose Restart or Power Off, and then turn it back on depending on your device. When the phone starts up again, the system reloads all services fresh. After the reboot, you will still be signed into your Google account, and your apps will be in the same place, but the background services for backup often behave more reliably. Next, go back to the app settings for Google One, then select Battery. Ensure its restriction parameters are set to Unrestricted, which means turning off battery optimization for the app. From the apps list, open Google One again and look for the battery section on its info screen. Inside Battery, you should see options like Unrestricted, Optimized, or Restricted. Choose Unrestricted so the system does not pause Google One when your screen is off. On many phones, the change takes effect immediately without any save button, and you might notice a small note saying the app is allowed to use battery in the background. You have now cleared Google One and Google Drive caches, restarted your phone, and allowed Google One to run backups without battery limits. If this guide helped your backup start working again, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple fix walkthroughs like this.